Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import deals into Pipedrive. Importing deals save time and keeps your pipeline up to date. So let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to prepare your data. Ensure your deals are in CSV file with columns like deal name, stage, and value. I'm gonna use this CSV file as an example, but it doesn't have the information that a deal CSV file should have. So there might be an error while importing it, and it might not be accepted as the file. But we're gonna just follow the procedure uh, and follow through. Now, after you ensure your deals are in CSV file with columns like deal name, stage, and value, you have to start the import. Go to the deals. Now, before you do that, you have to log into your Pipedrive, and to do so, just open a new tab and search for Pipedrive. Once the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Now, once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, go to Deals model in Pipedrive. Look for deals right here. It's on the dollar sign right here. And click on more options like this one, or click on import data right here. I'm gonna cancel an import here and drag the file you want to upload here. This contains the informations for the deals right here, and it will be uploaded. After that, you can map its fields to Pipedrive's deal fields. Now, as you can see, as I told you, there's an error because it doesn't have the information. But if you exported the file, the CSV file, from a website that exports deals CSV files, it should be fine. It's just have to have columns like deal name, stage, and value to work. Now for the third step is to review and import. Check the preview for accuracy, then click Finish Import, and your deals will populate the pipeline. And that's how you import deals into Pipedrive. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.